I've been AFK all night to try and prove a point. So, I want to see if I can find Pipe Machine. I thought it was just, it had like a bunch of, ooh my gosh. Whoa. That's a little bit crazy. I'm not dead. There we go. Well, yes, that is apparently something that can happen, and I'm pretty sure that despawned, so that is a little bit crazy. You may call me schizo. Whenever I'm looking for that pipe machine, that rarity is more than being schizo. However, I'm pretty sure this could be the tactic to find it at. It's just there's so much misinformation about it. Because no one knows, and since no one knows, they kind of take everybody's word as fact. Because someone's saying something that they... oh gosh. Oh my goodness! And it was flying away too. It was probably like a second away from despawning. I tried to zoom in because my mouse sensitivity is way too high. Oh my god. That was so scary. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm so happy I got it. I was like, if I find a glowbird, I'm gonna get it, right? I wouldn't miss and then it would fly away.